Hey there guys, how we doing? Somebody's doing really good. Want a quick video for those of us, for everybody concerned about this hurricane. Oh, yucko boy. We are in the lower part of Florida. Prayers and thoughts go out to anybody in Tampa, Fort Myers area on that side of the coast. We will get probably 30, 40, 50 mile an hour winds, which is not that bad, all things considering. This hurricane is a monster. Who's a good boy? I'll protect you. I'll protect you. Yes, I will. He's turned into such a good boy. Little lucky dinosaur. Who's a good boy? Ow! 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 You done? A little nail. Yeah, he scrubbed it against his litter. Guess the hair didn't grow back. So we are pretty much safe. I'm not even going to board up the windows. We do have to pick up everything from the backyard. Where are you going? Because we have the canopies and stuff. Yeah, that one came off from the rain, from the wind and rain that we had last week. So we are safe. I will report back and make another video as soon as the storm is done, which will probably be Thursday or Friday, but we're good. All right, everybody stay safe. Thoughts and prayers out to anybody in the path of this monstrosity of a hurricane. Wishing everybody the best, and everybody have a great day. I'm gonna get you.